Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you step by step on how to change your profile picture on Roblox using your Android device. Keeping your profile fresh and fun is essential, and we want to make this process as easy as possible for you. So, let's dive right in with the updated steps. First, you'll want to open the Roblox app on your Android device. This is the foundation before making any changes. Next, tap on More, which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to additional options you can explore. From there, go ahead and tap on Profile. You're getting closer to customizing your avatar. Now tap Edit Profile. This is where the magic happens, and you can start making your changes. Finally, tap the camera icon next to your avatar. This is your gateway to changing various aspects of your Roblox avatar. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, your profile picture can be transformed to reflect your unique style. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.